So let us make some magic. Let us make some magic with colors. If you have a palette or palettes that you want to play with, pull them out. Let's get some colors. Let us play. Let us have fun and be a kid in a big box of crayon. Because as a matter of fact, that's what the challenge is about. The colors of crayons. So, Leona Dalton, I am here for this challenge and I am going to do it now. Yes. Okay, let us start this little shindig. It is purple and green. So I'm going to take a matte purple from the Cara Beauty palette. And I'm going to use their mirror and I'm going to put it everywhere. Because I have no clue what I'm doing. I'm just going with this right now. So let's just put it everywhere and I will see what I am doing. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. You have picked the right channel to watch today. I am happy that you are here. Please give me a like and a comment if you love my content. And if you feel like subscribing, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. And then hit the notification bell so when my videos come out every day, you will get notified. Okay, so we're putting the purple from Cara Beauty on my eyeballs. This is a cool color. This is pretty. I'm liking the purple. It's interesting. One of my favorite colors, well, my two top favorite colors, purple and pink. And Leona Dalton, purple is her favorite color. Leona Dalton, who has a YouTube channel, challenged me with the color purple and green, but she said make the green neon. Now I'm done with the purple from Cara Beauty. It's very pretty. It's a nice, pretty purple. See it? I am going to now use the shimmer purple from the Queendom palette. I'm going to use my finger and the mirror. I'm going to put that on my lids. I want it to stay right here on my lids. See how pretty that is? I don't know if this palette is still available. It's by Urban Vibes. It says Urban Vibes Cosmetics. I don't know if it's still available, but I love this palette. It was given to me by my sister and I am still rocking this palette behind the scenes some days. So we're gonna put this shimmer purple on the lid. Only on the lids I want them. And then I'll take a brush just to make sure it stays where I want it. Now I'm going to try something completely new. I have not tested it. I have not tried it. I'm trying it here. However it comes out, that is the fun of makeup. I'm going to try the lash curler, not on my lashes because I don't know how to do that and use that yet, but I'll challenge myself. But I'm going to use this to do a cut crease. And I'm gonna go right here in the corner. Do I need to open my eye? No, I'll leave my eye regular. Here we go. Here we go. Did we get it? I hope. This is always fun to push yourself and challenge. I take it out. This is what it looks like. I am going to do the other side. Do I still have stuff on here? Maybe. I don't know. I maybe put too much on it, as you can see, but we're gonna do it anyways. Do it anyways. So now I'm over here, and you get to see how different my eyes are. So you see how different my eyes are? Same spot, but they came out different. Let's see what I can create here. Like I tell you, I have two different eye shapes. You see, one went this way, the other one went the other way. But we will work with it. We are going to work with it. I'm only gonna do one on camera. I'm just showing you how I'm fixing it. And then I will go fix the other one off camera. And we'll have two different things going on. I am back, and this, I fixed it. I use this lash curler to imprint on my little hooded eyes, and this is what I come out with. And when I do cut creases, it always shows you more. It brings it more to the front, exactly how hooded my eyes are and how uneven they are. But I'm still willing to try things and have fun with it. So that's what we're doing today. So now, Liana said to use neon green, and I am going to try two neon greens I have in here to do this look. Let us keep in mind, this is like so interesting. So I'm going to do the best I can to stay in a straight line, okay? I'll do some of it with you, and then I will do the rest off camera for sure. So let's just see how it's coming along. I'm using this green from the Juvia's place. It doesn't look green on here, but this is the color right here. And then I'll go into the Cara Beauty, and then I will do the neon green also. Let's see which one is more neon. Now I'm going into the Cara Beauty, and I'm going into this color. None of them look neon on camera, but I guess when I'm done it will show. But this is what I want to do on my hooded eyes, so you have an idea what I'm doing. Fix that. Okay, just an idea so you can see how it's coming out. And I'll go further so you can see. I'm gonna go. This is what it's looking like so far. This is my purple and neon green eyeshadow look. This picture will be going up on IG for the challenge, but this is it. Leanna Dalton challenged me on IG. Lauren Johnson does a queen challenge, and we had to tag a queen, and a queen tags us with the colors they want us to do. Leanna Dalton, who has a YouTube channel, and the name of her YouTube channel is Leanna Dalton. I will put her YouTube link in my description so you can go check out. This is what she challenged me with, so I just filmed it for my YouTube, and this is it. This is my look. Purple with neon green. And I use this lash curler to do my cut crease. This is it. Hooded eyes. You can try anything. Try anything that you want to try on your eyes to do a different look, any look, you name it. And try it and see what happens. I try this, and this is what happens. So this is my look, and I'm really having fun with it. Be creative, just do anything, play with makeup, have fun. I hope you took your palette out and create something beautiful, because we're all beautiful everywhere. Today's inspirational, encouraging word is, over the winter glaciers, I see the summer glow, and through the wild piled snowdrift, the warm rosebuds below. That is Ralph Waldo Emerson. Over the winter glaciers, I see the summer glow, and through the wild piled snowdrift, the warm rosebuds below. I hope you have a fabulous day. I hope you have a prosperous day. I hope you have an active day, even though it's to walk 10 steps today than you couldn't have done yesterday. Maybe yesterday you did 5 steps. Today you did 10. That's progress. Pat yourself on the shoulder and say well done, because you have moved from one spot to the next. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And Simply Your Makeup, is saying to go out there and try something new, or stay home and try something different. Either way, try something. I am saying bye. See you in the next video.